Good morning, children. This is Shoaib sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter 9, that's about algebraic expression, and we are currently we have finished till exercise 9.4. So here in this video, I'm gonna explain about some important questions of exercise 9.5. So it's like a starting video of exercise 9.5. So I would like to request everyone to pay attention, and please, if you are not cleared with my explanation, feel free to drop your queries in the comment section. So let us start the exercise 9.5 question number 1. Children, before I start question number 1, let me explain about some identities. Identities. Question is, sir, what is identity? Identities are kind of formula invented by mathematicians. After a long observations and calculations, they comes to a conclusion. That conclusion they express in form of identities or formula. So what is that identity? The first identity is a plus b whole square. Okay, whole square means the total, like square on the total thing within the bracket. So this square is applied on sum of a and b together. Okay, so the identity of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. You might be thinking, sir, what is a, what is b, what is 2ab? A means a can represent any value, b can represent any value. So when you are having two values added and squared, whole squared, in the place of that you can simply write this one, a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can express this one in the place of a plus b whole square. Children, I'm not going to explain from where this identity has come, as it would take a lot of time, a huge time to explain. So as we are just studying in class 8, we are just simply advised to take the identities a plus b whole square as a square plus 2a plus b square. Next identity is a minus b whole square. Just absolutely same, just in the place of plus we have to use minus sign. So what is this a minus b to a minus b whole square? The identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. All right, it's an identity of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Another identity is a square minus b square. The identity is a plus b into a minus b. Matlab, wherever we will see a plus b into a minus b, we can replace them by a square minus b square, or wherever we can find a square minus b square, we can just simply replace them with a plus b into a minus b. So all of you are being requested to write down these identities in your copy by making a box, as we are at the starting stage of identities. So such kind of identities will be used in the mathematics in future. So let us understand the first one. First question is x plus 3 into x plus 3. Children, as we can see, x plus 3 is written twice. So in the place of that, we can simply write x plus 3 whole square, because whenever we multiply two numbers to similar numbers, we can just write the square of that number. So here, suppose 5 into 5, in the place of 5 into 5, we can write 5 square. 5 square represents the product of 5 and 5 only. Alright, so here in the place of x plus 3 and x plus 3, we can write x plus 3 whole square. Now children, one thing that we really need to pay attention very carefully, x plus 3, isn't it look like a plus b whole square? X plus 3 whole square Doesn't it look like a plus b whole square? Yes, of course. It looks like a plus b whole square only. I never said that x and a are same, 3 and b are same. I am not saying that, but I'm saying that they look same. The format looks same. So in the place of x plus 3 whole square, we can simply apply the formula of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. I repeat, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means x square plus 2 into a means x, b means 3, plus b square means 3 square. Children, this 2 has come from the identity itself. It's a 2 from the identity. Okay, so x square to be written in form of x square only. Now as there is like product, there is no sign in between of this 2x and 3. It means that the product, so 3 to the 6 into x will be 6x plus 3 square means 3 3 is a 9. So children, I got finally the expression that is x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, all right children. So another identity which we can talk about, that is the next one is suppose 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7. So in the place of 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7, we can simply write 2a minus 7 whole square, and we are going to apply the identity of a minus b whole square. Okay, so the formula is a square minus 2a b plus b square. Here a means 2a and b means 7. So 2a whole square means the square is applied on 2 and a both. So 2 square means 4 and a will be just written with square minus 2 to the 4, 4 sevens are 28a plus, because numbers and numbers will be multiplied, a will just will sit next to it, and 7 square means 49. So this is how we have to write the answer. I believe it's clear to everyone. If there is any doubts, any confusion, please feel free to ask and try out the remaining questions your own. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.